I've never seen paint overspray on a ground-mounted solar farm, but changed my mind. Convinced me.
No, it's uncommon for sure. If you have paint overspray, on utility scale, either you are next to an industry,
Yeah.
in some way, and you have some exhausts coming to the modules, but it's highly unlikely. But if it ever happens, we advise the use of an agricultural sprayer to spray the product on the modules. Let it soak in 10 to 20 minutes, and then come with a tractor and a brush and brush it and rinse it off. If needed be, repeat the process. If you know that you'll need to repeat the process, we advise to brush without water, not to remove all the product from the module, and then on the second pass go with the water. Of course, you can also use mixed in the cleaning water and use the brush as a sprayer to avoid the need of having an agricultural sprayer. And you need to make two passes, one to apply the product without the brush rotating, not to take the product from the modules, and then change to clean water and come a second time to brush and rinse off the paint. It's highly unlikely, but in case you need it, it's similar to the way it's used for the other products, the LRA, for example.
Yep.
It's a very similar process as the other. Most of our products are like that. You spray it, you brush it. You might need to wait or not before the brushing, but that's it. You always need a brush, that's for sure.
Okay.